everybody? I feel like my chin is like bad. But I'm here to bring you guys my second Walgreens haul. I just wasn't feeling like going to Walgreens yesterday. So I'm like, I'll go today, and I went Ben free, so it was awesome. Sorry, this is like bothering me. But yeah, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, usually I show you guys the Walgreens booklet ahead of time. Went to the store, they don't have it. They say they're not getting it till Saturday, so I'm not going to do it unless I can get access to show you guys early, but I have no way of getting it unless you guys, you know, but you can go to the Walgreens website and you could look at sneak peek and they'll have, like, not the actual booklet, but they'll have, like, the coupons that are available. But not a big deal, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. It was a small haul. I didn't go crazy. I just realized that what I'm going to do at the store that I go to on Tuesdays, the one that's a mile or two down the road, I'm just going to do just the minor stuff. If I need to do anything major, I'll go to a different store. So just letting you guys know what's going on with that. But I'm here to share with you guys some deals. So I ended up getting the Clear Out deal. Now, this is, or nice and easy clear out. Now this is buy one get one 50% off. One of these, I think this one's $8.29 and this one's $7.99. So buy one get one 50% off. There is a 6 off of 2 coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys would end up paying just $6.29 for the both of these. But then you guys can get a $2 rebate for this one on Ibotta, and you guys can get a $2 rebate for this one on Ibotta. And if you guys buy both of these together, you get a $1 bonus. So that comes out to be like $5 back for both of these. So these both become $1.29 for both of them. That is a great price. That's like 65 cents a piece. So definitely do this deal. It is the end of the month, and a lot of you guys should be hitting levels. I've already finished level 4, but there was a bonus that just popped up. So I might go to Walgreens again and do a couple of these deals again because I want to get that little bonus. So definitely do that deal if you guys are in search of hair dye. I actually did quite a few different items with the Ibotta app. I ended up getting the Blink Revital Lens. Now there is a $3 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. So this is $9.99. You guys use that $3 off coupon from coupons.com. There's also a $5 off coupon that you guys can add it in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just pay $1.99 for this. And that's it. Yeah. $1.99. I think that's a pretty good deal. I give these to my brothers. They use these like crazy. So I'm like, whatever, you guys. Have fun with it. I ended up getting some Skittles. Now these were 2 for $1. Yeah, 2 for $1. Now I had those 50 cents off of 2 coupons that we got from a while back ago. Those coupons never scan. Never scan, so they always have to hand them in. But you guys will get 2 of them for $0.25 a piece or 50 cents for both of them. I think that's a great deal if you guys have those coupons. Those coupons don't expire, I think, until September, so you still got some time. Now I ended up doing the Starburst deal again because I can. So these were 2 for $5. Now you guys want to use that, is it 2 for $5 or 2 for $4? 2 for $4, you guys. I can't think. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we have, plus there is a $1 off of 2 in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece. And I think for a big bag of Starburst for $1 a piece, you can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting the backpack. Now, I've been at multiple Walgreens stores and I never find the backpack. And I'm like, are you guys even selling the backpacks? Am I completely blind? I'm like, I want to get backpacks, and I actually really like this print. I feel like the backpacks this year are a little bit better and bigger than they were last year, but for $3, I think that's an awesome deal. I mean, it's a pretty decent sized one. I really love this print. I really love this print. But originally it's $4.99 and I got it for $3 on sale. They're going to have this on sale a lot. So if you guys want to do that, definitely do that. But there is some nice, you know, it's a pretty big, decent size inside. And then there's also a little front zip too. So you guys got some good size backpack. So I had to do that deal to share with you guys, and I saw this print somewhere and I'm like, I gotta get this print. I just love it. I just love this print, you guys. So definitely get backpacks if you guys are interested in donating or just for your kids. Go for it. Now, I ended up getting the Benadryl itch relief stick. Now this does help. I had mosquito bites when I went to my parents' house, and I gave my mom a couple of these because she's like prone to mosquitoes. Like, they love her. They love her. Just, yeah. So these were $3.49. It was buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. You guys can use 2 of those coupons. You guys would just pay $3.23 for the both of these, but then you guys get 3,000 points, making it just 23 cents. So I think that's a great deal for 2 products for $0.25. I forgot what I was just going to tell you guys. Oh, and you guys can do this deal and pay with points and get points. So that's what I wanted to do. They're just shaking like crazy. But these do work. I mean, they're good for like your purse if you guys are out and about and you know there's mosquitoes and stuff. Had to go along and get these. And these don't expire 2020. So I can use them for next summer also. I ended up getting the, oh, and I forgot. You guys, oh, where'd it go, where'd it go, where'd it go? I don't have it. I don't have it. I had a Catalina. It might have fallen out. But I got a Catalina. I thought I dropped it. Here it is. But I ended up getting a Catalina for a free book. When you guys buy the Benadryl, you get, thank you for purchasing 2 Benadryl products at Walgreens. Save summer moments, create your own free photo book. I don't know how much the photo book costs. It's up to $6.99, but you can fit like 4x6 photos in it. But you can get a free book. This does expire in like a week or so, but I'm just covering up my code. But you end up getting a free book. So definitely do that if you guys want to get a free book and, you know, some Benadryl. I ended up getting this Rohoto Dry Aid Relief thing. These were $9.99. You guys want to print off a $2 off coupon from the Rohoto website. You guys would just pay $7.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this just $2.99. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I want to show you guys more Ibotta deals this month, and that was a great thing to share with you guys. And then I always shop the clearance rack every time I go to Walgreens because you never know what you're going to find. I found some decent stuff in the Walgreens. But they ended up having these I can't even pronounce it. The Le Colombe drinks. Now they had this one and then the triple drink. But they were originally $2.99. They had them for 50% off. So they had them at my store for $1.49. And I didn't have any coupons on me. And I'm like, you know what, that's okay. I'm not going to make a big deal if I don't have that $1 off coupon. And I don't even know if that coupon's available anymore. But I ended up getting these, and if this deal resets again tomorrow on Ibotta, I'm going to go back and get more because husband loves these. So for $1.49, you guys would just pay $1.49, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, and this makes it just fit 49 cents. Now it looks like the price is good from the 17th to the 3rd. So I don't know if they're just going to put these back on the shelf or they're just trying to get rid of them. So the limit on Ibotta is 5 of them. So I ended up getting 5 of them because I am a good wife and I got my husband some drinks. So I got all 5 of these for 49 cents. Now please keep in mind I do get these for a discount because I get an employee discount because my husband works for the company. So I ended up getting these even cheaper, but I think for 50 cents for a can of these after the rebate is good. So I'm definitely going to go back and do that deal if it resets, and I'm hoping it does. I also ended up receiving another Catalina for, if you spend $25, you get a $10 reward. So I'm going to probably save that for something. I don't know what I'm going to get. But yes, that was my haul. It wasn't much, but I wanted to share with you guys a couple other deals that I didn't get to do. My total came to $24.72. Now, I did pay with points, so I only paid like $4.72 for that stuff. But I still wanted to tell you guys, because some of you guys don't have points. Some of you guys are building points. Some of you guys don't have points. I just love saving points. So, I'm a hoarder when it comes to points. But I do try to pay. I pay with points every single time, but I always try to make sure I get those points back. So, just got to give you guys a heads up on that. I only received 3,000 points back, and that was because of the Benadryl. I ended up getting $14.25 back with Ibotta. That was because of the 2 Clarols, and then I got $5 back for the coffee drinks, and then I also got it for the Rohoto, and then I had a 25-cent any receipt. I also received that $1 bonus for the Clairol. So my grand total came to $6.47, plus I got a free book out of this, a free photo book. So I bought 16 items, which came out to be 40 cents a piece. So I still think that is an awesome deal. So yes, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm hoping you guys, you know, enjoy the Walgreens haul that I gave you guys. It's not much, but hey, it's some stuff. And definitely check your clearance racks. You never know what you're gonna find, and I'm pretty excited to see what deals we can do next week for Walgreens. I'm really hoping to use some great coupons. So yes, and if I do find the Walgreens booklet, I will sure let you guys know. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.